Ever spent hundreds on software only to realize there's a free version that does the same thing? Today, I'm showing you 11 AI tools that will make your paid apps obsolete. Some of these will save you money, some will save you hours, and some might even make you cash. Curious? Good, because the first tool is insane. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100 just last week. Tool number 1. Imagine an AI that writes blog posts, social media captions, and emails in seconds. It's free, it's fast, and it might just replace your copywriting software. Tool number 2. Ever wanted a logo without hiring a designer? This AI creates hundreds of professional logos in minutes. You'll never go back to Photoshop. Tool number 3. Need stunning images but hate paying subscription fees? This AI generates images from simple text prompts. You just describe it, it creates it. Magic. Tool number 4. Video editing used to take hours, until this AI came along. Upload your clips, hit generate, and boom, professional edits ready. Tool number 5. Transcribe interviews, meetings, or podcasts instantly. Forget expensive transcription services, this AI nails it for free. Tool number 6. Want AI to brainstorm ideas? From YouTube video scripts to marketing campaigns, this AI is your creative partner. Tool number 7. Imagine automating repetitive tasks across apps and websites for free. Yes, automation without the pricey tools. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Tool number 8. AI for email marketing that writes subject lines, emails, and sequences. Your old email software suddenly feels unnecessary. Tool number 9. Need a voiceover without hiring someone? This AI generates realistic voiceovers instantly. Tool number 10. AI that converts your text into full-fledged websites. Drag, drop, generate, it's wild. Tool number 11. And finally, the tool that made me $100. AI that creates digital products you can sell immediately. No skills, no investment, just creativity and execution. Each of these tools has a free tier that outperforms paid apps. Imagine the money you've wasted, now imagine reclaiming it. The future is free, and AI is leading the charge. You can literally replace your subscriptions one by one. Some of these tools have been quietly revolutionizing industries. Others are brand new and are waiting for early adopters, like you. And the best part? They get smarter every day. You're not just saving money, you're getting smarter tools. Let's dive deeper into tool number 1. Its interface is simple, almost deceptively so. But behind that simplicity is a powerful AI engine. It analyzes your input and creates professional content in seconds. You can customize tone, style, and even the length of your content. Think about all the hours you've wasted on writing drafts, gone. Now, tool number 2, the logo generator. Just type in your brand name, select a style, and watch it generate dozens of options. You can tweak colors, icons, and fonts instantly. It's fast, intuitive, and yes, free. Tool number 3, the AI image generator, can replace expensive stock photo subscriptions. Want a fantasy landscape? Done. Need a realistic product mock-up? Done. The possibilities are endless. Tool number 4, the video editor, is a game changer. Drag clips, hit AI edit, and you have a ready-to-upload video. Forget hours of cutting, transitions, and manual editing. Tool number 5 transcribes audio with uncanny accuracy. Interviews, podcasts, webinars, you name it. No more typing, no more errors. Tool number 6 is your AI brainstorming partner. It generates content ideas, marketing angles, social posts, literally anything. Tool number 7 automates your workflow. Connect apps, create triggers, and let AI handle the repetitive tasks. Free automation is finally here. Tool number 8, the email AI, will blow your marketing efforts up. It writes compelling subject lines and email sequences instantly. Tool number 9 converts text into realistic human voiceovers. No mic, no studio, no cost. Tool number 10 builds websites from plain text. Type, click, and your site is ready. Tool number 11, the $100 tool, is perfect for digital creators. It generates sellable content, products, and even mini apps. Early adopters are making real money with it. Start small, scale fast. Don't just save, earn. Each tool has a learning curve, but it's short. Free tools mean low risk, high potential reward. You can experiment without hesitation. And the skills you gain are transferable across industries. If you've been paying for apps unnecessarily, your expenses are about to drop. These tools are disrupting traditional software. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. Those who adapt first will dominate. Think about the hours, money, and stress you'll reclaim. Now let's go through each tool with examples. Tool number 1. AI Writer. Watch it transform a 10-minute brief into a full blog post. Tool number 2. Logo Generator. Let's see a brand new logo created in real time. Tool number 3. AI Image Tool. Describe a scene and watch it appear instantly. Tool number 4. Video Editor. Upload clips and generate a finished video in minutes. Tool number 5. Transcriber. Play an interview snippet and watch the text appear. Tool number 6. Idea Generator. Type a few keywords and get dozens of unique angles. Tool number 7. Automation AI. Watch repetitive tasks complete themselves. Tool number 8. Email AI. Generate a marketing email in under 30 seconds. Tool number 9. VoiceOver AI. Convert text into a natural, human-sounding voice. Tool number 10. Website Builder. Type your content and launch a site immediately. Tool number 11. Digital Product Creator. Generate sellable content in minutes. Mid-video reminder. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Now, why are these tools better than paid alternatives? Free AI tools evolve rapidly. Paid apps often lag behind. AI is learning daily, constantly improving accuracy and output. Paid software is static until the next update. Free AI is flexible, adaptable, and surprisingly robust. The only cost is your time to learn them. But compared to hundreds of dollars per month? Easy choice. These tools level the playing field. Small creators now have access to the same power as large companies. The future of productivity is democratized. No subscription needed. No hidden fees. Just pure AI power at your fingertips. Tool number 1 is perfect for social media managers, bloggers, and entrepreneurs. Tool number 2 suits startups, designers, and freelancers. Tool number 3 fits artists, marketers, and content creators. Tool number 4 helps video creators and marketers. Tool number 5 is ideal for journalists and podcasters. Tool number 6 benefits writers, agencies, and innovators. Tool number 7 empowers anyone doing repetitive digital work. Tool number 8 is a game changer for email marketers. Tool number 9 helps creators, presenters, and educators. Tool number 10 is perfect for anyone launching websites. Tool number 11 is for creators wanting immediate revenue. Let's look at how fast these tools work. Tool number 1 generates a 500-word article in under 30 seconds. Tool number 2 produces dozens of logos in a single click. Tool number 3 can generate an image in 10 seconds. Tool number 4 completes a video in under 5 minutes. Tool number 5 transcribes an hour-long interview in minutes. Tool number 6 gives 50+ ideas instantly. Tool number 7 automates multi-step tasks instantly. Tool number 8 writes email sequences in seconds. Tool number 9 produces voiceovers in under a minute. Tool number 10 launches a website in 5 clicks. Tool number 11 generates sellable digital products in minutes. Efficiency is the new currency. These tools are wealth multipliers. Time saved is money earned. Skill gained is opportunity unlocked. Let's see tool number 1 in action with a live example. Type in a topic, generate, and boom, a full article. Tool number 2 demo. Brand name typed, hundreds of logos generated instantly. Tool number 3 demo. Futuristic city at sunset, typed, image appears. Tool number 4 demo. Raw clips uploaded, edited video ready. Tool number 5 demo. Play audio, transcription appears. Tool number 6 demo. Type marketing ideas, dozens appear. Tool number 7 demo. Repetitive data entry, automated. Tool number 8 demo. Marketing email generated in seconds. Tool number 9 demo. Text converted to realistic voice. Tool number 10 demo. Type content, website live. Tool number 11 demo. Digital product generated, ready to sell. Notice the speed? That's power. Next, let's talk accessibility. All these tools work online. No downloads, no heavy software, no expensive computers. Accessibility means you can work anywhere. Laptop, tablet, even smartphone, these tools perform. Your workspace is wherever you are. Combine them, and you have a full productivity ecosystem. Write content, create visuals, automate tasks, generate products, all for free. The advantage? Early adopters dominate. Tool number 1 alone can replace a content team. Tool number 2 can replace a freelance designer. Tool number 3 eliminates stock photo subscriptions. Tool number 4 reduces video editing costs dramatically. Tool number 5 replaces transcription services. Tool number 6 replaces brainstorming sessions. Tool number 7 automates tedious work. Tool number 8 replaces email marketing software. Tool number 9 replaces voiceover studios. Tool number 10 replaces web development services. Tool number 11 replaces small digital product creation costs. Think about the cumulative savings, hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars saved monthly. Time freed to focus on strategy and creativity. And potential earnings multiply. The tools evolve daily, meaning tomorrow's updates make them even better. Free, constantly improving, and powerful. Let's see combined use cases. Write a blog, create a cover image, record a voiceover, edit a video, all in under an hour. Automate follow-up emails and digital product distribution. That's a full content cycle without spending a dime. Imagine applying this to your business or side hustle, or your creative projects, or even launching a new digital brand. Free tools make this accessible to everyone. The barrier to entry just disappeared. You no longer need capital to start. Only curiosity and execution. Watch your competitors scramble to pay subscriptions while you stay ahead for free. That's the power of AI in 2025. And these 11 tools are just the beginning. Each tool is growing smarter, faster, and more intuitive. They adapt to your input and your workflow. Personalized, efficient, and highly productive. Let's review the full list quickly. Tool number 1. AI Writer. Tool number 2. Logo Generator. Tool number 3. AI Image Creator. Tool number 4. Video Editor. Tool number 5. Transcriber. Tool number 6. Idea Generator. Tool number 7. Automation AI. Tool number 8. Email AI. Tool number 9. Voiceover AI. Tool number 10. Website Builder. Tool number 11. Digital Product Generator. Each free, each capable, each transformative. Start small, test each tool. Observe how much time and money you save. Then scale. Integrate them into your daily workflow. Free AI tools are the ultimate leverage. Imagine achieving results previously reserved for teams and big budgets. That's what these tools provide. They democratize power and productivity. The opportunity is massive. And it's accessible to anyone watching this video. Don't wait for someone else to get ahead. Start today. Implement one tool now. Watch the results compound. Free AI is not the future, it's now. The shift is happening, and early movers win. Tool number 11, the $100 maker, proves it. Even a small side hustle can scale quickly. Use the free AI stack wisely, and you're unstoppable. Begin with curiosity. Experiment relentlessly. Learn as you go. Share results, refine strategies. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. If you're serious about replacing paid apps, bookmark these tools. Track their updates. Integrate them into your business or creative workflow. The efficiency gains are exponential. These 11 tools cover content, design, automation, marketing, and revenue. There's literally no reason to pay for software you can get for free. Free AI is leveling the playing field across industries. Innovators, creators, entrepreneurs, this is your arsenal. The first tool you use will change your perception of productivity forever. The last tool, tool number 11, could change your bank balance. So start now, don't hesitate. Test, apply, and evolve. Free AI is smarter than most paid apps already. This is your competitive edge. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Subscribe, click the bell, and stay ahead of the AI curve.